Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Sushil Joshi and you're watching the Math Magic. We are going to learn the parts and whole part 3. In this lecture, we will try to learn the LCM, that is lowest common multiple or the least common multiple, the mixed fraction conversion into the fraction. Two parts basically we are going to learn. So without wasting our time, we will go to learn the parts and whole part 3. Here we go. The first one is, now one of the most important part, students, you have to remember that when we take the LCM of the two numbers, first I write here LCM is equal to lowest or least. Sometimes these two words are used, lowest common multiple. Now, there is one important term, that is addition with different denominators. Now, this term is associated with the LCM because in previous lecture we studied that the addition with the same denominators, that is a very easy one. But if a question is given to you, for example, add 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Now this question is given to you and you have to find out the addition of these two fractions. Now look at this example carefully. You will see that here the denominator is 3 and here the denominator is 5. Both the denominators are different. When the denominators are different and these are not included in each other's table, that means if 3 is not present in the table of 5 and vice versa, if the both numbers, one is smaller and the one is greater, so how we calculate and how we find out the addition? So there are two different methods. First we will see, try to find out the LCM. In this case we have to find out the LCM first when the denominators are different. So I write here LCM. I make the like this, the prime factorization method. This is known as the, I write here 3 first, then I write here 5. So 3 and 5 are the different. We will try divide from 2, but we cannot divide the 3 and 5 by 2. So we take 3 here, 3 ones are 3, and here we can't divide, so I write here 5 as it is. Then if 1 comes here, then no need to write down anything here. So I put here cross. For our sake of convenience, for our understanding, I put here cross. That means in this column you have to do nothing. So I write here 5, 5 ones are 5. LCM is the multiplication of these two numbers. So LCM is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So this is our new denominator. When you find this LCM, this is called as the new denominator. I write here 15. Now first write here 15, the denominator that we got here, and put here division sign and write the first multiple. What is next step? So remember that first you have to write the LCM, that is the common denominator. Put here 15, the same denominator, put here division sign, and then divide it by the first denominator, that is 3. Close the bracket, put multiplication sign and multiply by its numerator. So I multiply it by 1. Now what is the sign in between these two fractions? The sign is plus sign. So I write here plus. Then next step, again write the denominator, common denominator is 15, put division sign and take the second denominator 5. Close the bracket, then multiply by its numerator. Multiplication sign and write here 2. So what is the division? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So in bracket, what remains? 5. So I write here 5 multiplied by this one plus 3 here, and this multiplied by 2. We write here 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus sign as it is, 3 to the 6, denominator 15. That we got 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 divided by 15. This is one method. By this method, we can actually solve and try to find the addition with different denominator by the method of finding LCM. Now, the second, one of the easiest method I am going to tell you. Look here. Second method. Now look at these two denominators carefully. Here 3 is there and 5 is there. Both are different. That means these two numbers are not present in each other's table. In that case, you can multiply by using cross multiplication method. How we multiply it? Look here. You can multiply 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. These two are different. So by using cross multiply method, that means multiply 5 to 1 and 3 to 6. And to find denominator, multiply 5 by 3 or 3 by 5. So first we find the denominator, 5 3s are 15. Then we multiply by 5 to 1. 1 multiplied by 5. The plus sign as it is, 3 multiplied by 2. We got here 5 plus 6 divided by 15. That is 5 ones are 5, 3 to the 6. So 11 divided by 15. In this way, we can find out easily the addition of these two fractions. But what is the basic condition? These two denominators are not present in each other's table. That means these are not the factors of each other. Then and only we can use this method. Otherwise, you have to find out the LCM and then add these fractions. We'll take the another example. It will clear you how to find the LCM of the numbers. Now look here. 5 by 9 plus 3 by 15. Suppose these two numbers are given to you. How we find? Denominators are different. So first I find LCM. I write here 9. I write here 15. 9 and 15 are present in the table of 3. So I start dividing these two numbers. I start dividing by 3 because these two numbers are present in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 is there, 3 1s are 3. We can't divide 5, so I write here 5 as it is. So here I put cross because 1 is present here. So the division in this column is completed. No need to write down again 1 and 1. So by 5 I multiply here, 5 on the 5, and LCM is nothing but the multiplication of these three numbers. LCM is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. So this is our common denominator. So I write here 45 first step, then second step write here 45 divided by the first denominator 9 bracket close, multiply by its numerator 5, put the plus sign, then again second bracket, similarly write 45, that is the denominator, put division sign, Then take the second denominator as 15 and write here 3 multiplication sign. So what we got here? We got here is equal to 9 ones are 9. We change the ink. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. 15 ones are 15. 15 threes are 45. So in first bracket we got 5 multiplication sign multiplied by 5. In second bracket, here plus sign, we got 3 multiplied by 3. Denominator is 45. So 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25 plus 3 threes are 9 divided by 45. 25 plus 9 is 34 divided by 45. In this way, you can find out the LCM of these two numbers. Here remember that we cannot use the second method because 9 and 15 are present in the table of 3. That's why we can't use the second method, that is cross multiplication method. This you have to remember. Again, the next question. Look here. Third one is, we take one bigger one, 8 by 12 plus 9 by 18. Suppose these two numbers are given. Again we find LCM. 12, 18, we divide it by, suppose 12 and 18 are divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Again 6 is divided by 2, so I write here 2 3s are 6. 9 we can't divide, so I write here 9 as it is. Again this 3 and 9 are divided by 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So we got here 1. So I put here sign this. So no need to write down here anything here. 3 ones are 3. So multiply LCM is nothing but 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36. So LCM is 36. So this is our new denominator. This you have to remember. So I write here 36. So next step is in bracket, first write 36 divided by the first denominator is 12. Multiply by its numerator. Numerator is 8. Plus sign is there. So I write here plus sign. In second bracket, again write the 36 divided by the second denominator is 18. So I write here 18 multiplied by its numerator is 9. Divided by 12. What we got here? We got 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. In first bracket, I got here 3 multiplied by 8 plus sign. In second bracket, I got here 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 36 in the denominator. 8 threes are 24 plus 9 twos are 18 divided by 36. 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus carry 1, 4, 42 divided by 36. In this way, we will find the LCM of the any two numbers. I hope all of you understand this basic method, how to find the LCM of the numbers. Next, fourth question. 5 by 10 plus 3 by 15 plus 4 by 25. Suppose three numbers are given to us and we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers. Denominators are different. That's why we have to find out the LCM. So I write here LCM, lowest common or least common multiple. First I write here 10, then 15, then 25. These three numbers are divided by 5. So I divide by 5. 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 5 the 25. So again, so first I divided by 2, 2 1 the 2. I put here cross, 3 as it is and 5 as it is. Then I take 3, 3 1 the 3, 5 as it is. We can't divide 3 by 5. So I put here cross because 1 is present here, and the last one is 5 1 the 5. Multiplication LCM is nothing but 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 5 to the 10. 5 3 the 15. LCM is 150. This is our new denominator. So I write here 150. So first in first bracket I write here 150 divided by 10, first denominator multiplied by 5 plus sign. In second bracket I write here 150 divided by this second denominator 15 multiplied by 3 plus in third bracket I write here 150 divided by the third denominator is 25 multiplied by its numerator is 4. So 10 1s are 10, 10 15s are 150. So in first denominator I got 15 multiplied by 5 plus sign. In second bracket 15 1s are 15, 15 10s are 150. So I got here 10 multiplied by 3 plus in third bracket I got here 25 1s are 25, 25 6 are 150 multiplied by 4, that is 6 multiplied by 4 divided by 150. 15 5s are 75 plus 10 3s are 30 plus 6 4s are 24 divided by 150. This is 75 plus 30, 105 plus 24 divided by 150. Here we got 129 divided by 150. In this way, we can easily learn the addition of fractions. Here, the three different fractions are given to you, and we will learn how to find the addition of these three different fractions. So I hope all of you understand this. So few questions are for homework. You can try yourself at your home. Then we will see how to convert the mixed fraction into fractions. So before that, we will learn the mixed fraction into fraction.